Hi guys, this is episode 7 for the Zero MD Vodcast 2020. It's March 3, 2020, and I'm going to talk about Forex. 10 years ago, 2009, I started out on a mission to get passive income. It was post recession, but I made enough in the Philippine stock and fixed income market to buy my first SUV, a Ford Everest. That seems impossible, and details of which may deserve another podcast on its own, but I was left with little seed money afterwards, and I had to look for other, more risky but more rewarding investments. That's when I learned business was not for me. I lost a lot of my hard earned money through that way. So I turned to the foreign exchange market. To the uninitiated, it sounds like betting. You're placing bets that one currency will go down and the other up. If you get through the basic complexity, it it's actually very easy. You're betting on what's called a contract of difference. The chances of winning is higher than a casino and you can treat it like gambling. And there's this concept of gambler's ruin. If you bet enough times, the chances are high that the house eventually wins. So 10 years ago, because of my psychology back then, the house did win. For my first week, I managed a 60% return. I placed $1,000 bet, low even in today's standards, to start trading. I withdrew my $600 profit but proceeded to lose the $1,000 seed money. That's a big loss for me. We don't earn US dollars here in the Philippines. A $400 loss for me is big, and I swore back then to use up all my energy to get better at this Forex. For 10 years, I opened up demo accounts, and I would win for a while, but I always kept losing. The big break came last year when I learned about trading systems. I learned two very profitable trading systems, but I almost blew up my account. You see, when the missiles dropped in Iraq early this year, 2020, I was betting the wrong way. And I almost lost every single profit since I started at October 2019. But I was prepared unlike 10 years ago. I had a system, and all I needed was mental toughness. From 350 US dollars left in my equity, I acted like a robot, erasing losses and getting more wins without emotions getting in the way. And now, a month later, my equity read $1,800. I learned from my mistakes, and now I'm on my way with this particular type of investment. I am trading real money, and that carries risk, a huge amount of risk. If you don't have the stomach for it, don't try Forex. I had to wait 10 years until I am mentally and financially prepared. I'm not a trading guru, and I'm not going to pretend like one. But I learned from the best, and I'm going to share with you the YouTube channel that got me to this level at the description box below. I still have a long way to go. It's not gambling if you know what you're doing and you have a system. It's an investment. It's a skill that can carry on for the rest of your lives. I needed this because I only earn $1,000 a month roughly after Philippine taxes. So you may have an idea of why losing a capital of $1,000 is crushing for me. So when you start Forex, start with something you are actually not comfortable losing. And that's what I learned from one mentor that I paid no single cent for. Because if that capital is something you can't stand or afford to lose, you start to see clearly. You step back and watch the landscape. You execute plans that are crucial to your success. Yes, I am speaking Jocko Willink here. His concept of accountability, extreme ownership, transpires in all of my trading, and it should transpire in all of your trading too. Whether I win or lose, or whether you win or lose, I or we own the bottom line. Nobody else is to blame. So what do you think of this video? Like it or not, comment down below. As always, if you like what you see here and you want to see more, subscribe. This is Dr. Zero Amelia. You are watching my YouTube channel. Peace out, everyone.